Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing something wild. My experiment with the Block Blast glitch didn't just work. It completely changed the way I play the game. If you've ever wondered how some players hit those impossible scores, this might be the secret they're using. So stick around, because what I'm about to show you is game breaking. Literally. So let me start with what triggered this experiment. I kept hearing whispers about a repeat replay glitch in Block Blast that supposedly generates overpowered blocks. Sounds fake, right? That's exactly what I thought, until I tested it myself. First, you open Block Blast and head straight to the settings menu. Here's where things get interesting. Normally, you tap the replay button once, but for this glitch, you don't stop at once. You tap replay multiple times in a row. At first, nothing special happens, but after a few tries, something unexpected appears, a massive 3x3 block. The moment this block showed up, I knew something was off. The next step is placing that 3x3 block strategically, either in the upper section of the board or right in the middle. Don't drop it at the bottom or the glitch won't trigger properly. After placing it, you fill the lower part of your board with regular blocks, just normal, ordinary pieces. This setup basically primes the glitch. Now, here's where everything exploded. Once the board is prepped, you wait for a 5-row long block to drop. When that big piece appears, place it in the exact orientation shown in the demo, aligned perfectly with the middle and lower filled area. The moment I placed the long block, the glitch activated. And I mean immediately. Suddenly, the game started spawning 2 extra 3x3 blocks, over and over again. Not only that, but it also produced repeating 2x3 blocks. At this point, the game became ridiculously easy to dominate. Rows cleared instantly, combos stacked non-stop, and the score climbed so fast it almost didn't feel real. What's crazy is that the glitch is consistent. Repeat the setup and the giant pieces keep appearing. This trick doesn't just give you an advantage, it transforms the entire gameplay. It makes Block Blast feel like a completely different game. So yeah, my experiment with this Block Blast glitch changed everything. If you try it yourself, be prepared. Your high score board won't ever look the same again. If you found this helpful or just mind-blowing, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more glitch experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.